Capital allocation is a martial art, a way of seeing, acting, and mastering power in the world. And so, you will learn why allocating capital is like training for war, how the best capital allocators move with precision, not emotion, and how you can build a strategy of compounding that mirrors the mindset of a grandmaster. And if you have been following this channel, you already know that most people treat capital like a tool, but the ultra wealthy treat it like a weapon, a discipline, a philosophy. Let's start with a deeper definition. We already know that capital isn't just money. It is stored energy, stored time, stored decision-making capacity. Every dollar is a soldier. Where you send it determines what you conquer. The world's best investors, entrepreneurs, and family offices don't spend capital. They deploy it with intention, leverage, and long-term positioning. Martial artists don't just punch. They study timing, analyze weaknesses, move with economy or force, use the opponent's energy against them. Capital allocators do the same. Time the market cycles, study macro forces, wait patiently for asymmetric opportunities, and use others' mistakes to create wealth. Let's break it down like a martial discipline with 5 principles. Precision over volume. Martial artists don't throw 100 punches. They wait for the one clean strike. Capital allocators do the same. It is not how many investments you make. It is how surgically they are deployed. Billionaires don't diversify blindly. They focus, concentrate, strike where the odds are deeply in their favor. Emotional neutrality. In martial arts, emotion is a liability. Anger, fear, greed, they get you killed. Same with investing. The worst decisions come from FOMO, panic, overconfidence. The best capital allocators operate from stillness and data. Calm hands create generational wealth. Flow with the environment. A martial artists adapt to terrain, distance, timing. They flow. A capital allocator does the same. In booms, they protect. In bust, they pounce. They don't fight the cycle. They master its rhythm. As Bruce Lee said, be water, my friend. Apply that to capital and you become untouchable. Train for asymmetry. Martial artists train for maximum damage with minimal exposure. They look for openings to strike hard without getting hit. Capital allocators look for asymmetric upside. Risk $1 to make $10. Bet big when the downside is capped. Build layered defenses for when the market swings. The game isn't to be always right. It is to be decisively right when it counts. Defense is the foundation. Martial artists train defense first. Why? Because survival matters more than flash. The same with capital. First rule, don't lose money. Second rule, don't forget the first. Capital allocators build cash buffers, insure against tall risk, exit fast when the thesis breaks. In martial arts, ego gets you hurt. In investing, ego gets you wiped out. Martial art isn't just fighting, it is about awareness, patience, energy control, economy of movement. A grandmaster moves less, but accomplishes more. Capital allocation at the highest level is no different. Family offices, sovereign funds, and billionaire investors play the long game, ignore noise, let capital do the compounding, never chase trends, they shape them. The final stage of capital mastery is serenity. The capital begins to flow to you. Like a martial master who doesn't chase fight, they attract peace and influence. That is the destination. So, if you want to build real power, stop thinking like a consumer of capital and start training like a martial artist. Every dollar is a strike, every asset is a stance, every market cycle is an opportunity you must understand, not fear. Because in the end, capital isn't about wealth, it is about mastery. If you found this valuable, subscribe, leave a comment below on your favorite capital allocation principle, and share this with someone who still thinks investing is about luck instead of discipline. Until next time, move like capital.